This is SteinWipe Pro, and it is an absolute game changer in ooze control for runny filaments like PETG, and especially with high flow or large diameter nozzles running higher temperatures. And today marks a special day because it was exactly 1 year ago that I received the first set of parts that would make this project possible. Then life happened, and I explained that in this video. But here we are now, and this project is moving very nicely once again. If you've installed SteinWipe Pro's predecessor, then this is a direct bolt-on upgrade done in seconds. After this upgrade, there will be 2 new places on your Bambu Lab P1S and X1C 3D printers, quite possibly coming to the P2S as well, where you can perform major temperature transitions with virtually zero filament leaving the nozzle, creating those unsightly blobs and gaps in your prints. Having a place to park the nozzle mid-print means that we can use higher temperatures to flush the previous filament and then immediately cool the nozzle much faster with the thermally conductive tab, which pulls heat directly from the tip of the nozzle on contact, which is solidifying the material inside, stopping that ooze in its path. With the tab in contact with the nozzle under the cooling influence of the mighty part fan, we can then cool that nozzle back down to print temperatures in seconds from even the highest flushing temperatures, all without losing any material from the nozzle. SteinWipe Pro also does other cool things with the all-new sidestepping pinch and cut routine. My sidestepping routine cools the filament down much faster and avoids the purge from building up heat that causes sticking to the chute walls. This makes for a more consistently shaped purge, which forms in a consistent position to consistently drop out of the chute and not consistently drop onto your build plate. What a concept. We can now gently drop the purge and pinch it at the same time with the chute door and avoid having that material pulled out of the chute by the nozzle when it moves over to the Pro tab, where we actually cut the string and cool the nozzle at the same time. And again, without oozing any material volume that is going to be affecting your print quality. There is so much that SteinWipe Pro can do, and with the many people who are supporting this project on Patreon, we're going to do it all, folks. The pre-sale just launched for this project if you want to back it and get early bird pricing, because I've learned my lesson with the SteinWipe version 1 launch, where the project got so big so fast, I literally could not keep up with the messages alone. Thousands adopted the SteinWipe system and my slicer presets for it with the code, which unlocks loads of additional functionality for your Bambu Lab machines. So like the original SteinWipe model files, the Pro model files have already been uploaded to MakerWorld under their exclusive protection program and patiently awaiting for SteinWipe Motion Control Pro preset release, and for when the documentation is actually completed and ready for a much more refined and smoother launch this time. Thank you all for watching. That's all I've got for you today, folks. Happy printing.